She's getting a little glowy.
Okay.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. I literally almost forgot my intro. But for today's video, we have our Ipsy slash Boxycharm unboxing. We have, it looks like a refreshments box, the Ipsy box, and the Ipsy like icon. This is like where it's Boxycharm and like Ipsy into one. So you guys want to see what my thoughts are on, so you guys want to see what we got in this month's box. Is it still worth it? Does anyone still buy these? Well, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so I actually am filming this on the 4th. So happy 4th of July. I know it's kind of late now what time you guys are watching this, but I hope you guys had a beautiful 4th of July. I was just at Animal Kingdoms. I went and had lunch with my husband and my best friend because normally we're together every 4th of July and they're both working. So I went and met up with them. But yeah, I'm back. It is 96 degrees outside. Your girl is sweating and a little oily, but that's beside the point. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. A lot of times, some months I get these, some months I don't. I don't really ever know what I'm getting them. Some months are good. A lot of times they're not. But either way, I'm still really appreciative to Ipsy and Boxycharm for still sending this my way. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in. We're going to start off with this little Santa ho 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 sack moment right here. This looks like it's a refreshment. Yeah, it's definitely a refreshment. So in here, they sent over their pillowy shave cream and their dazzling 5-blade razor kit right here. You know what's so funny is I have never tried this. I always tend to just give this away, just because I really do like my Gillette. Is it Gillette? The ones that have like the foaminess, like the soft cushions around the blades. I really love those. I think it's Gillette. I think, you know, so that 5 blades with that big foaminess with that, like, it has like its own soap. That's what I use. I never really go into like these style of razors, but I will say, I mean, it's cute. It's cute. It's like nice and purple. You did the refills right there, but yeah. Maybe at some point I definitely could try these. I generally have never tried them, so I don't know the quality of it. Same with the shaving cream. I normally have given them away, so there's that. I think this is in your box this month. Possibly, I don't know, but now we're gonna dive into the Ipsy right here. Now, typically, my Ipsy glam bag has been pretty decent. I really do enjoy my Ipsy glam bag. It reminds me so much of the Play by Sephora. Do you guys remember that box? What a great box. I love that box so much. All right, so we got another Santa sack ho 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 moment, but it feels so weird. Okay, so this feels like a little bit silky. This feels like very like rough silk plastic. It's very weird. Okay, so let's see what we got for this month's glam bag. So first thing that's in here, we have a brush from Toy Factory. So it's a blending brush 09 Toy Factory brush. Okay. Then we got a keys. This is a golden cleanser. So this is this delicate golden maca honey-infused facial cleanser is formulated with smoothing turmeric and chamomile to help remove makeup, dirt, and impurities, leaving skin feeling cleansed, soft, and refreshed. Okay, definitely not bad. Then we got something from, it's called Head Candy. It's a Head Candy lip butter. Head Candy. Head Candy.
Why are you the way that you are?
My mind goes somewhere else with head candy, if y'all know what I mean. You know? You know? You know?
Oh, say less.
You're coming home with me.
Head candy. Okay, so we have a head candy lip balm. Then we have a, I can't tell. Trust Fun Beauty. Oh, okay. That looks like a UFB or yeah, like UFB. You see that? No, it's TFB. So this is going to be a Trust Fun Beauty, and this is a Le Brow eye gel. Le Brow brow gel. Okay. And then I think the last item that we got in here is from Sapphire by, oh shit.
I just want
Got it. Sapphire by Tentacles. It's a liquid kohl water resistant liquid liner. So We got only one brand that I've heard of, and it's the Keys, because this is Alicia Keys like skincare brand. And then we got 4 brands that we haven't heard of. There seems to only be like, I guess 3 makeup items, and like 2 non-makeup items, which actually isn't bad. I do like a 3-to-2 ratio. Is this my favorite bag? No. If I paid $13 for this, would I be the happiest? Not really, but I also realized I only paid $13, so I wouldn't be like too mad about it, but I'm also not excited about it either. So that's what we got in Ipsy. And then now we have the Glam Bag Boxycharm Icon Box right here. First off, I will say the packaging, really freaking pretty. I love like the pastel rainbow look. I think this is so freaking pretty. It's probably like the prettiest box I think that they have ever created. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so excited to see what we got in here. Hopefully it's all good stuff.
Should we tell her that fences electric?
No, hell no.
Alrighty, so the first thing I see is from a brand called Malin and Goats. This is a vitamin E face moisturizer. I've actually seen this brand quite often, so I know it's a pretty decent brand. Vitamin E, can't smell that. But that I guess is cool. So it's a vitamin E face moisturizer. Okay, nice. It says our lightweight moisturizer synthesizes natural vitamin E, chamomile, and absorbent fatty acids, gently and effectively hydrates, balance, and calms all skin types. Okay, cool. Next, we have something from Sweet Street. This is a candy paint. This is a shimmer lip gloss. Sweet Street. Man, that would become a tongue twister for me so freaking fast. I will say the packaging is actually super cute. So this is going to be, whoa, it's really, really, really pretty. It smells nice and sweet, like a nice little candy. And it's gonna look like that. Okay, cool. That's actually a really, really, really pretty shade. Very, very wearable. That's really pretty. Okay, that's exciting. First thing I got excited about. Next, we have something from Natasha Denona. So it looks like we got a Fez palette. So, oh no. So this is the Fez palette right here. It's really pretty. I don't think I've ever seen this before, but it looks like I did get a little bit of a broken shade. I don't want this to fall out because knowing my luck, it will. So here's the Fez palette. This is so pretty. I love the colors. I just was really unfortunate about this shade. And the thing is, it's like just one shade that would just pop right out. Y'all see that? Just pops right out. So we have a Natasha Denona Fez palette right here. Really, really, really pretty colors. Not gonna lie, that's really pretty. Then we have something from Verb. This is a Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. Ooh, scalp nectar. It says, great hair starts at the scalp. Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar is a lightweight nectar-like serum, gentle enough for all scalps. Formulated with moringa oil to fight frizz and biotin, as well as AHA and PHA that helps slew away product built up in dead skin for a cleanse, refresh scalp. Nice. Okay, cool. And then lastly, we got something from Sweet Dreams. This is a Collagen Glow Golden Eye Mask right here. So in this whole box, we got 3 non-makeup items, and then we got 2 makeup items right here. Now, I don't really know the price points on these anymore, but if I paid for this box, I would be... I would just not be the happiest camper. I'd be a little disappointed. Like, nothing against like the brands, but I mean, like, the most exciting thing is the Natasha Denona, and one shade is a little broken, but that's an easy fix. And then this really pretty like lip gloss. The rest I'm just kind of like, where's the makeup? Like, where's the makeup? I want makeup. I don't want to have a scalp treatment or facial wash or eye mask. I mean, granted, I love getting a good skincare. Don't get me wrong, I love getting good skincare, but I like it when it's like an even, like a 3-2, or, you know, not my other box have a lot of skincare in there too. I just like the even balance. So I can safely say that I definitely think that this month's boxes, all of them, are pretty disappointing. I don't really find them exciting at all. I really won't get a use out of a lot of these items. So yeah, this month I think is definitely a dud for all 3. Definitely a miss. And if I paid for these, I really wouldn't be the most happiest camper. But let me know what you guys think about these boxes. Are you guys still excited about these boxes? Do you guys enjoy getting these boxes? I know this is a really super short video, but it's getting harder and harder to make these videos any longer, because I'm not really getting a lot of makeup. Like back in the day, I used to. It was so much fun, and now it's just kind of like more skincare, hair care, tool products, and it is a lot of makeup products. So yeah, I'm sorry these videos aren't as long. I mean, like I said, at the end of the day, I'm still beyond grateful to Boxycharm and Ipsy for sending these my way, but I could definitely say these ones this month were pretty big disappointment. I'm hoping that next month will be a lot better. You never know. Some months they really truly amaze me, and other months are just kind of like, why? But yeah, guys, that is what I got this month in my Ipsy Boxycharm icon box, in my Ipsy glam bag, plus in my Ipsy glam bag and my Boxycharm / Ipsy icon box. Let me know what you guys think about these down below. Let me know if you guys still get them, and I hope you guys had a beautiful 4th of July. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel, to R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.